In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a notes template in Coda.io. Whether you're organizing meeting notes, managing a daily journal, or structuring any type of information, having a template can be a huge time saver and ensure consistency across your documents. We'll walk through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Coda homepage, which you can easily find by going to coda.io/docs. This is your hub for all things Coda, and from here, you can either dive into creating something brand new or open up an existing project that needs some organization. If you're starting fresh, look for the big Plus New Doc button. Clicking this will open a blank canvas for your creativity. If you've already got a document where you want your notes template to live, go ahead and select it from your list of documents. Both options provide you with a perfect starting point to embed a powerful notes template. Next, it's time to design your notes template, which is where the magic happens. At the top of your document, start by giving your template a clear and concise title. Something like Meeting Notes Template or Daily Journal Template works great. By titling your template, you make it easier to identify and use it in the future. Now, the core of your template should be a table. This is key for keeping your notes structured and accessible. To insert a table, think about the different pieces of information you typically collect. You might want columns like the date of the meeting or entry to keep a chronological record. A topic column can help quickly identify the main subject or event of that particular set of notes. Adding a section for key points allows you to capture critical information succinctly, and an action items column helps track tasks or decisions that arise. Finally, consider including a follow-up date column so you know when to revisit any outstanding tasks or discussions. Once you've beautifully crafted your notes table, it makes sense to convert your document into an actual template. This way, you can reuse it anytime without having to start from scratch. To do this, look to the upper right corner of your document. You'll see a three-dot menu. Clicking on this reveals more options, and you'll want to select Doc Settings from this menu. Within the settings, there's an option labeled Create a Template. By clicking here, you've transformed your document into a fully functional template, ready for countless uses. Remember, templates in Coda are more than just a static document. They power up your workflow by keeping everything organized and consistent. I hope this tutorial helps streamline your note-taking and document management process. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting in Coda.